That's Aaron.
Bill, thank you. The city of El Paso is showing a united front tonight. They hosted a memorial service to mourn the 22 lives taken in a mass shooting nearly 2 weeks ago. The El Paso suspect reportedly confessed to police that he wanted to shoot as many Mexicans as he could. In a response tonight, one local leader is calling on his community to support their Hispanic neighbors. Eyewitness News reporter Henry Ramos is with the Kerrville mayor, who says Hispanics shouldn't live in fear.
Bill Blackburn is pouring out his heart online.
Because they now...
The Kerrville mayor just came back from El Paso, a city broken but holding on strong.
The tragedy of this just came home.
He has family there and drove by the Walmart where 22 people were gunned down. The innocent lives targeted, according to police, because of their race. That doesn't sit well with this political leader.
We need to think about this and the impact on people.
The mayor got to writing, 314 words to be exact. His Facebook post is addressed to Hispanics in Kerrville and Kerr County. He is urging his community to, quote, express support and, yes, appreciation for our Mexican and other Hispanic neighbors.
In part because they now feel that they have targets on their backs and that whatever welcome mat has been out has disappeared.
The mayor says nearly 28% of people in Kerr County are Hispanic. He wants them to know they are valued.
When you've got an old Anglo mayor who is taking this stand and saying these things, I think that has more impact.
Henry joins us live tonight. Henry, what kind of feedback is the mayor getting?
Aaron, I have to say, pretty good feedback. He says he was actually eating out yesterday when a family just came up to him and simply said thank you. And most of his comments on his Facebook page, many are saying thank you for the support. And the mayor also adds he's just happy if he gets 20 likes on a post. He was not expecting this type of response. He has more than 500 likes and more than 200 shares. Aaron?
His sentiment and example for us all. Henry, thank you. Kins 5 has partnered with a Texas clothing company, Bull Zerk, to create this shirt. It reads, "Don't hate in my state." All proceeds will go to the El Paso Victims Relief Fund. You can purchase a shirt right now at kins5.com/don't hate. Now, we want to warn you, the only way to make sure your donation goes to the proper place is to follow that link at kins5.com.